Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastava and I am faculty of US Academy and Institute. Today we are going to discuss here your moral science book. This is your book Voice to Wisdom of class 7 and we will discuss about class 7 moral science chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is this is your first chapter. This is a poem Walk Alone. This is poem about loneliness, determination and accomplishment. So let's read our first poem Walk Alone. If they answer not to your call, walk alone. If they are afraid and cower, mutely facing the wall, O thou unlucky one, open your mind and speak out alone. If they turn away and desert you when crossing the wilderness, O thou unlucky one, trample the thorns under thy tread, and along the blood-lined track travel alone. If they shut doors and do not hold up the light, when the night is troubled with a storm, O thou unlucky one, with the under flame of pain, ignite your own heart and let it burn alone, walk alone. So students, the writer of this poem is Rabindranath Tagore. Actually, it is an English version of a Bengali song, Ekla Chalo Re. And the first line is saying, if they answer not to your call, walk alone. If they are afraid and cower mutely, facing the wall, O thou unlucky one. So in this line, the writer is mean to say, if no one responds to your call, then you go your own way alone. And this song is commonly known as Ekla Chalo. It is a Bengali patriotic song written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1905. And this song inspires Gandhiji also, and it is one of his favorite song. So this song by Rabindranath Tagore inspires one to walk alone on his or her path without expecting someone else's support. If someone has a true conviction for his goal, then it matters not how the society perceive it. So, on the path of building creative confidence, there will be many obstacles one will have to face. In a way, you are going against the preset norms of learning, education, expectation, right and wrong, society, etc., and many more. In such time, there might be a situation where you are the only one to support yourself and seek inspiration from. Just have these words inside your heart, that is, walk alone, and your path will seem easier. So students, learn this poem and get inspired of this poem. The song exhorts the listener to continue their journey despite abandonment of lack of support from others. If no one supports you, you have to go on your own way with determination and you will get accomplishment. Surely you will get. So, students, whenever you are getting bored or you are feeling alone, what kind of work you do? Sometimes you watch TV, sometimes you are busy in playing. What are the other things you can do if you are alone? Think and share with your parents also. So students, the poem gives us a message. Whatever conditions are there, you have to walk alone only. You have to face all the critical condition whatever the conditions are there. For example, if someone left you alone in the desert, or you are crossing a wilderness, that means a forest, and if you are feeling unlucky, that at that time you have to face that situation, you have to treat that thorns under your feet, but you have to go ahead only. So in every condition, it is your favorable or not, you have to face every condition. So that was all about the poem Walk Alone, with a beautiful message that gives you a message of loneliness, determination, and accomplishment means your achievement. So what kind of knowledge you will get from the chapter? That is, we come alone, we go alone, but in the between, we enjoy the loneliness of our self. So in our next video, we will discuss our next chapter. Till then, take care.